Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a simple Korean makeup look perfect for everyday wear. Apply a lightweight foundation that matches your skin tone. Conceal blemishes and dark circles under the eyes. Set with a light dusting of translucent powder. Apply a light brown eyeshadow all over your lid. Line your upper lash line with a brown pencil and smudge it slightly. Coat your lashes with mascara. Groom your eyebrows with a spoolie and fill in sparse areas with a brow pencil. Apply a soft tinted lip balm to the center of your lips and blot it outwards. And that's it! A simple, natural Korean makeup look perfect for everyday wear. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more Korean beauty content.